got first fish of the day. All right, first fish of the day. 5 feet of water, guys. There you have it. First fish of the day out here at Calveras Lake. Gotta love it, guys. ¿Qué onda, primo? Just one right now. We're out here 2 days ago and they're all 18, 19. We landed 3 that kept. Yeah. Woo-hoo. 3 feet of water right now. Crazy. Got Albert in the background. Tilapia killer, man. What? Fish number 2, right at 18 inches. But look at those spots. Amazing. Gotta love it. Let's let her go. Fish number 3. It's a good size too. At least she feels like it. Nah, she's a little small. Rat City, man. Ooh. Another 18 red. Spots. Awesome. Woo! That's what we love to hear, boys. That's a good size right there. That's what we're looking for, baby. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, guys, you ready for this one? Yeah. Yeah. God, love it, man. Calveras Lake. Look at that. Woo. So I run out a lot of memory on my SD card. So I had to delete some footage, which is unfortunate because we got a lot of good fish on, but right at 30 inches. Solid, man. Calveras Lake, can't beat it. All right, another good one. Yeah, we'll see. Still pretty small. Might keep. All right, another little one. Another little one. Crushing them today, boys. Telling you. All right, got another little guy. We had one earlier, came off. A lot of rats. Just gotta weed through them. Oh, that's the one. That's the one. We got Albert, tilapia killer, hooked up too. Man, they are just all over the place. This is a good size. Oh man, maybe not. Dude, she fought like a monster. She tore that up. Still pretty small. Dub Robinson hooked up. Solid redfish. Doing donuts. That looks like she's gonna keep. Gotta love it. Yeah, all right. We got David hooked up. Nice red on the rattle trap. I'm telling you, even these 15-inch reds pull like 20s. Yeah. We got a good one on. At least we shall see. So primo-in-law got a hook stuck in his finger. And kind of fortunately, I'm a medic. Former medic in the military. And hopped on his boat. Got the hook out of his thumb. Saved him 500 bucks. So should have gotten that on video. Fortunately, we did not. But we got photos to prove of the nice redfish. We got Dub hooked up again. Awesome. Best way to get rid of them. Hooked up again. Probably about 3 feet of water up in here. Still a little guy. A lot of fun. And another. Yeah, I mean, it's crazy how shallow they are right now. I've never seen them like that.
There's how you do it.